Do you want to know 7 simple habits you can start today that can make you seriously wealthy? If yes, then let's dive right in. Welcome to the Wisdom Inspired Talks podcast. Thank you for joining me today. I am Yomi Akinpelu, your wisdom coach, speaker, teacher, and author of Blow the Cap Off Your Capability and other books. Today, I'm going to be speaking about 7 daily habits that can make you seriously wealthy. Habit number 1, 30 minutes daily reading. Wealthy people learn from others. They glean wisdom from books. This will put you so much further in life than those that don't read. Now, here is the thing. You don't have time to discover all the secrets to success or learn from your own mistakes. Just read and learn from those who are already where you are going and fast track your education by gleaning wisdom from those who have been there, done that, and got the t-shirt to show for it. Habit number 2, 30 minutes daily exercise. Consistent exercise gives you more energy, increases your blood flow, and feel-good chemicals. The feeling of being a disciplined person also gives you a boost and lifts your mood. Plus, you develop a toned body, which increases your self-confidence. You know the saying, no one ever left the gym and said, "I wish I hadn't done that." It's true. Developing this discipline of daily exercise is also likely to result into discipline in other areas like healthy eating, daily reading, tracking your spending, and other great habits. Habit number 3. Successful people surround themselves with other successful people. And that is not necessarily people with a lot of money. It could be goal-oriented, focused, positive, ambitious, and disciplined people who inspire and support and challenge you and build you up and encourage you to go for your goals and achieve your full potential. This kind of people inevitably and eventually become successful and wealthy individuals. And these are the types of people you need to hang around, as well as read their books, listen to their podcasts like this one, or videos. Habit number 4. Pursue your own goals, not the one that others think is best for you. Do what gives you fulfillment and energize you. Do what you'll do, even if you were not paid to do it. Do what you will wake up daily and look forward to doing, not dreading to do. Decide what works best for you and stick with it. Don't be pressured by what others are doing or saying. Find work and goals that you will thoroughly enjoy, and find ways to monetize it and ensure that you are giving value to others. Habit number 5. Getting enough sleep. I'll say approximately 7 hours, plus or minus 1. This is one of the most overlooked habits of the wealthy. Sleep is the most essential non-nutrient. A study of self-made millionaires reported that 89% of them said they slept 7 hours or more every night. Sleep is critical to success. There might be a few exceptions who get by on 4 to 5 hours, but this is not the norm in my opinion. Sleep accomplishes so many things behind the scenes, including memory formation, rejuvenating, replenishing, and renewing your life from inside out. Enough sleep is absolutely essential to maximizing your productivity and potential. Decades of science and a whole host of sages from centuries gone by have also come to this conclusion. With sleep, the most important thing, however, is consistency in the pattern. So try to ensure a regular sleep schedule by going to bed around the same time daily and waking up at the same time. This assists the rhythm of sleep and helps you to be in your peak condition. Keeping the same routine is more important than waking up as early as 4 a.m. daily. Habit number 6, waking up early to get more done without disruption and before others wake up is also a habit of the wealthy. The saying, early to bed and early to rise makes a man wealthy and wise, is true. A study shows that nearly 50% of millionaires woke up at least 3 hours before their workday actually began. It's a strategy to deal with the inevitable daily disruptions such as meetings that go on for too long, traffic, and all kinds of unforeseen disruptions which have a psychological effect on us. Getting up at 5 a.m. in the morning, for example, or even 6 a.m. gives you the feeling that you are ahead of the day when everybody wakes up. Early in the morning, it's quiet and you can focus more on high-value tasks. Just make sure you don't wake up early and go into social media or checking emails. Instead, focus on doing the one thing that will make your day a fulfilling day, or the most important, most difficult thing that you have to do that will make a difference in your day. Wake up in the morning and eat that frog, like Brian Tracy would say. Habit number 7. Wealthy people create multiple streams of income. Studies show that almost all millionaires have multiple streams of income. The studies show that on average, millionaires have 7 sources of income, and that includes earned income, that is income from a job, rental income, business income, royalties, dividend, investment income, and so on. Now, don't think that you have to try to create these streams of income in one go. No, all you have to do when it comes to building wealth is that you leverage your time and have your money working for you. Like I said in some of my previous videos, you can't work 24/7 round the clock, but your money can work while you're playing, while you're sleeping, while you're doing other things. Your money can be working round the clock. You can create multiple income streams by taking money from your job and investing it into a broad index fund like the Vanguard US Total Stock Market Fund, and that will give you a combination of earned income, dividend income, and long-term capital gains. The more sources of income you create, the faster you will become seriously wealthy. Now I'm going to give you 3 more habits of the wealthy because you stayed with me till the end. Wealthy people are positive, they value feedback, that is, they learn from mistakes and failures, and they never give up, but instead they enjoy the process. And those are the 10 daily habits that you can do consistently without having to wake up at 4 a.m. or meditate for an hour every day or break your back trying to do them. They are realistic, they are easy to start and stick with, and they work over the long term. If you do them consistently, you'll see such a huge improvement in your life. And that is all for today. But before you go, remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And thanks for watching. Until next time, keep on growing in wisdom and maturity. Blow the cap off your capability. Be unstoppable. Be awesome. I'm cheering you on.